Sustainable living in the wilderness requires a blend of indigenous wisdom and leading edge technology, especially for being able to make a movie. Part of the movie is about adventure and stewardship in the wilderness, as well as the art and science of production. So here's some of the tools. That's how we get in and out of Petrov. Sasquatch Air in a 185. And this is for staying warm and dry. USB battery rechargeable headlamp. Some inspiration for writing. Sound canceling headphones. Little fanny pack for carrying the cell phones. Essential water. Alright, universe, I humbly request some wisdom for moving forward. Accept the understanding that emerges in response to the moments of your life. Do not strive for more comprehension than that which appears effortlessly. You will know what you need to know and remember what you have forgotten. So there's some narrative. This is a compilation of wisdom training for outdoor education instructors, which is a large part of what we're doing here. Oh yes, and instruments, flute, harmonica. Oh yeah, this is part of the 21st century package for production. These are great Walmart money cards, great way of banking, and the quintessential storage devices. These are essential as well. A little tool for the memory cards for the smartphones. We'll do an instructional on that. And these are the high speed, high quality, more expensive memory cards. Otherwise, they can easily lose the footage. And here for writing, one way to make a movie is to write a story, then add music, then add imagery. There are a variety of ways to that you can change it up. Anyway, we write, we record music, and we edit. Of course, knapsack is essential. Carabiners are great. Also, if we're working on trails, we brought some tools along with us. The rake helps to make some trails, which we'll demonstrate later, and other tools of the trade. It's good to have extra toughs, they're the best. These little camp shovels are good for digging cat holes. Sharp knife is essential. Once in a great while, it's nice to have a iron skillet. Leather gloves. If I have nothing else, I like to have one of these. Folding saw for firewood and for building shelter. These are great for helping to make trails. Hatchet can serve to chop some wood and acts like a hammer. These are great to go along with Bic lighters. Magnesium fire stick. You scrape the magnesium into a pile with the scraper, and then you spark it with this sparker. Burns at 5,000 degrees. Machete got left out here, got rusted. Coconut oil is good for that, and of course a sharpener. More carabiners. Quintessential hammock. And 50 feet at least of 550 paracord. Really inexpensive, really strong. I usually like to have 2 or 3 of these. And of course a tarp. The 4 essentials are tarp, lighter, line, and knife. But you can also add knapsack, tent, sleeping bag, boots. Hammocks are really helpful. Otherwise you got to carry a ground pad in some cases. Very primitive, but also luxury. Adventure with a purpose.